Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on VIVO Y27. To remove a widget, press and hold on it, then tap on Remove. To add a new widget, press and hold on some free space on your home screen, then tap on Widgets, and now go to any of these widgets. It can be either one from the suggestions or choose any app. For example, I'm gonna choose maybe not settings, but let's add calendar. Choose the one you like, click on add widget, and now the widget has been added. And when you press and hold on it, it also displays this frame, which you can adjust the size of like that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.